back, y'all. It's Sunday morning. I'm gonna go ahead and get this pork tenderloin in the slow cooker. We're gonna put in some carrots and onion. We're gonna put this whole pack of Italian seasoning mix and a pack of Lipton onion soup mix. Might seem a little weird putting those two together, but I promise it's good. All right, that's it. We're gonna cover it and it's gonna cook on low for 8 hours.
The time of harvest has come. We're leaving them out there so they can grow a little more before we go out there and get them, because it's not quite time yet. But we're gonna let them at least have what, Mama? 2 more hours?
Yeah.
We're gonna give them 2 more hours. Hopefully they get a little bigger.
Squash patties are happening with supper tonight. Right now we're doing lunch. Leftover chili dogs and chili cheeseburgers.
Right now we're putting the great seal on these stinking potato chips right here. You're now fixing to behold Fallon dicing up an onion, everyone.
Yeah. Now with the leftovers, we don't toast the buns. That's too much trouble.
No.
Toasted buns.
We keep it straight to the point. When we do leftovers, stay simple. Ketchup, mustard, pickles, onions, chili. Y'all, I'm telling you something, that chili is good on a hot dog, but to me, it's probably as good, if not better, on a cheeseburger.
Okay, y'all, the time has come. We're going to get some squash.
I ain't gonna believe what I see.
What? I see a spider web.
This is crazy. What's happening in this little garden right here? Look at this. I see cantaloupe coming right here.
Yeah, look at the okra. It's really getting bigger.
This is crazy, y'all. I'm telling you what's the truth.
We need some tomatoes to hurry up and get ready for us.
The strangest thing that's happened in this little garden, in my opinion, this blowed me out of the water, buddy. I came down here and I was like, green beans. My little plants pick them for me and start putting them right here.
What?
I was like, y'all don't have to go through the extra trouble. Look at this. I come to the garden alone.
Yeah.
And here we go. While the dew is still on the roses or on the green beans. and I'm just, here I come. Look at that. Get a close up
Oh,
of that,
it's
baby.
hanging, yeah.
Now look, don't get jealous out there just because y'all green beans don't put y'all's on the little cages for you. My green beans like me. There's a difference there. Y'all, this little zook right here, I didn't even see this one. Tomorrow, it'll look like that one over yonder.
Yeah,
we
this
need
one.
to pick that one.
Yeah, it's ready.
Our first harvest. Woo!
It's beautiful.
I tell you what, there's a lot of people out there. Listen, any questions you got about gardening, all you got to do is just type, put your fingers on that keyboard and type, and I'll get on there and I'll answer you. Now, I'm not going to tell you how I make my green beans do that.
Yeah.
That's a secret right there, but I will put my zucchini in my little basket right here.
Beautiful.
Going right
That's
down in
beautiful.
there. And we ain't gonna harvest those.
No, they're not
We're
ready.
not gonna
No,
harvest
no.
those right there.
They
We're
need a
gonna
little
wait.
while.
Harvest time.
That's exciting. That's it. That's all we got right now.
All about that.
We watched it when it was this big, this big, this big.
Trust me, we watched it all the way.
Every day.
I mean, we had our eyes
We
on
did
that.
miss some days.
Some of y'all out there got too many, you can't really spend enough time with it, but that's not the case here. We went down there and just about hugged those plants every day. Of course, I know we almost drowned at your tail with the water hose. Root rot almost took you. But we realized that we was overwatering thee, and we stopped.
Okay, so here's what we gotta do. We're gonna make the cornbread first. Cornbread muffins tonight.
Mom, you just tell me, babe, what you want me to do. I'm in the game. All you gotta do is just tell me.
You can go ahead and be washing and chopping the potatoes, or you can wash and shred the squash. We need to shred the squash
I'll
for the
shred the
squash
squash
base.
first.
Okay, go ahead.
Wash
You
it
shred the
first.
squash, yes.
Wash
the
the
squash. A lot of older people around here say wash instead of wash. Wash.
We're
wash
proper.
the
That's the
squash.
reason we don't use those words. We speak with more proper country slang. Squash. You gotta be happy about the little things in life, everybody. If you're not, well, you're gonna probably need big things, and that's gonna cost a lot of money. All right, everybody, there's our squash. Everybody, that was a little bit tough to get off the pan here. I had to take this thing right here because it was wanting to stick. Let's see right here. What do you think, Skeeter? Daddy doing a good job?
Yeah.
We're gonna stack them up over here. Sometimes they want to stick to the pan. Let's see if we can get this one to come off. Put a little frosting on that and glue that one back together. That's why you gotta do it in life too. You ain't having a good day? Put some frosting on it. Notice the concentration. Cornbread's going in.
All right, y'all, we are almost ready to start these squash patties. So we have the squash here, chopped up an onion. I'm just gonna sit this over here for a minute. Now I'm gonna get a clean towel. We're gonna dump our squash out so we can squeeze out any extra moisture that's still left in there.
Ooh, cheese.
It's squash.
I know it was cheese.
So we'll just take it over here to the sink and we're just gonna squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. See, there's a lot of moisture in there that you don't know is there.
No, it's like lemonade.
Looks like lemonade. Don't rip the towel now. Okay, now we put our squash back in here. Now we add the onion.
I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping some taters.
Yeah, go ahead. With the squash and the onions, we're gonna put some all-purpose flour. All right, we're gonna put some salt and pepper in here. 2 eggs. Okay, I think we need just a little bit more flour. And then we'll be ready to start heating up the oil. That's all we do for our squash patties, just salt, pepper, flour, eggs. Now, hey, hold up. Wait a minute, we did this wrong. You're supposed to boil those in chicken broth for this recipe.
Whoa, y'all, we like to mess up big, which would have been the first time, and I can't have that happen. If you don't do it with chicken broth, it ain't gonna be the same. Put that flavor to it. Put my chicken broth right on in there. Notice how it went right in that pot. I'm gonna be doing some new green beans on you tonight. I'm gonna be doing something that you're gonna need some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm just telling you, it's gonna be good.
When you can start moving the patties around,
You know it's happening.
it's happening.
Let me try one of these fritters. How many squash fritters?
Well, yeah, that side's cooler, yeah.
I'm gonna try one of
Unless
these,
you
y'all.
want Paula Dean it and get those that just came out the
No, Paula, she done seared every one of her taste buds. We know Paula. Now listen, Paula is a southern girl, lady that knows how to cook with butter and knows how to do it well. We just ate at a restaurant the other day.
Yeah.
We know them teeth ain't real. I said it. That's a bright smile, but it ain't real.
This past time when we went to the mountains, I think Paula Dean's was my favorite place we went to this time. Now the last
Paula
time,
got some good food, and I'll tell you right now, them some good squash fritters right there, buddy.
Tyler's gonna try one. This side over there, yeah.
Now hold on, I'm gonna show y'all my way of flipping.
Yeah.
Put it down here, Mom.
It's gonna
Come down here,
splatter.
everybody. I'm gonna show y'all my way. Watch this. Hold on. I like it when it gets up there on the sides. Boom.
The reason that I cannot remember what that restaurant's called, the one right beside Skyland Ranch. It's really good, but they don't have a lot of options.
They don't have a lot of options. That's the only thing we're seeing there that we're gonna need to go up there and probably talk about. We're not having the variety. Like, where's your squash fritters? you know what I'm saying?
We do need to
y'all ain't got a squash plant. Oh, well, there's your problem right there, bud. We got one. Grab my grow bag, take my squash plant up there, and I'll be like, listen, this is what y'all missing right here, boys. Listen, you need tacos? I got cilantro, buddy. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I got it all in grow bags because I knew this would probably happen.
That's pretty.
Oh, say, can you see?
I'm just snapping off these green
some green beans, everybody.
ends here. But yeah, I want to try the Applewood Farmhouse place for lunch or supper when we go back because we've just had their breakfast so far. I'm telling y'all what keeps taking me back to Paula Dean's more than anything is the banana pudding.
Well, I'm gonna tell you something else that I enjoyed over there, and this is all jokes aside. They got some good fish.
Oh, and those garlic cheddar biscuits.
If you don't know if you want to go in there or not, all you gotta do is get on that ride right beside there and just play I Spy. All right, everybody, now we're going on to our green beans. What we want to do is go ahead and crush our garlic. Go ahead and open up our shallots. Let's get these green beans right here boiling, and then we'll put them in the frying pan here in just a minute. So right now, while the green beans are doing that deal, I figure we'll go ahead and dice us up some of these sun-dried tomatoes here. We're not gonna need a whole lot of them. Alright everybody, now we got our tomatoes all diced up. And our green beans is still going on a boil there. Now I think our taters is done here, everybody. Let me check it. The way I like to check them taters is I love to just go ahead. Oh yeah, they done, Mama. We doing this the old-fashioned way, everybody. You guessed it, right there.
I'm trying to clean up in between everything, y'all. Some people don't clean as they go.
Right.
We won't name any names.
Right.
Your butter's burning.
Oh Lord, help us, help us. Called on the Lord right here about this butter. Jesus, take the wheel.
Yeah.
Jesus, take the pan.
He loves to put stuff on high, y'all.
Okay, everybody. Starting back over, we're gonna start back over with some more butter.
How much
and we're
did
gonna
you have?
stay within the temperature that the Lord's pleased with. Right here. There we go, everybody. We're going in with our shallots and our garlic. Okay, everybody, now we're gonna add our beans. It's a beautiful thing right here, everybody. We'll just kind of mix this around. Coming right over in there with these sun-dried, everybody. Now we'll kind of mix that around. Give me a little salt and pepper here, Mom.
Okay.
We're gonna put just a little bit of water in here, everybody. Kind of let this steam a little while longer. We'll put just a touch more butter in there. We're gonna now sprinkle us just a few of these almonds. Now what we're gonna do is just put the top on it. Boom. That is really good. I'm not kidding you. That whole deal right there. Make it all, y'all.
We're just sitting out here watching yet another summer thunderstorm come up. It blew down my pleated flag fan, whatever this thing was called. The wind blew it down.